Alright, hello, my name's Cameron. I'm captain of the Penguineers programming team. And today, it's going to be more a niche and nuanced video. I'm going to be going over our new resource page called the FTC Open House. If you guys have never seen it before. So essentially, kind of what this is, and there's a summary right here, but essentially what it is like I went out and collated about 50 resources I found helpful in my FTC journey. And essentially, it kind of streamlines a lot of nice resources into one place, because what I found is all these resources are nice and they're there. We've made a lot of other great places. FTC first has made some themselves. Some great teams like Gluten Free, Artemis Robotics, and just companies alike have just made these great resource videos. But there's no real place to have everything in one place, because a lot of the resource videos that like these people make are kind of specialized and don't really have like all of this broad thing documentation about everything. So I'm kind of just going to overview like what each is. So we have the programming resources page, some on-bot Java tutorials, we have TensorFlow tutorials, official documentation from First, on-bot Java basic guide, so kind of a guide to get it installed, like not to get it installed because you don't have to install it, it's web-based, but like kind of how it works, the best ways to use it, optimal things, protocols that can make your experience better and more efficient. Android Studio, how to download it. There's a basic guide, kind of walks you through what it is, how to set up everything. I think this also includes some stuff about how to set up the Bluetooth connection to your robot, because in the past that was a big issue with the way things worked. You couldn't really Bluetooth connect to your robot. You had to kind of hardwire it in, but now you can obviously do it wirelessly. Game Manual 0, there's a book. I actually think this book is probably the best resource for younger teams to get in the FTC to actually learn how to code in Java for it. So simulation. So if you're not into all that formal book kind of stuff, there's a simulation. It's like a game. FTC Sim, Virtual Robotics Adventure. This is kind of cool. I've never used it, but I read about it on Reddit and thought it would be nice to include. I've heard only good things about it. So if you just want to learn a little bit Java too, University of Helsinki offers this MOOC, which is helpful. Artemis Robotics has some nice tutorials. There's a Geometry book, some Photon FTC, and it kind of just goes like on and on like this for like engineering. There's CAD, notebook resources. We linked our own notebook on the thing, I believe, from 2024. So your own portfolio from that year. So essentially what this is, it kind of streamlines all these opportunities. I know there's a lot of good stuff for engineering and programming, but we also included a lot of stuff on Outreach, on Notebook, on CAD. And there's a lot of a variety. There's advanced, there's intermediate, there's beginner as well. And essentially what it works is you go to the page, respective page, you click learn more, and it'll take you to the page. And that's kind of about it. The main real reason I'm making this video too is we need more resources, and I think it's extremely helpful to have like other people reach out, because I'm only one guy, we're only one team, and the more people I can have like comment things that I might have missed online, I'm not perfect, the more things, I can cast a wider net, put out better resources, and have a more normalized distribution of what people in the First community actually kind of listen to and think are helpful. But I think we've done a pretty good job with this so far. But more is always better. And if you guys could please comment anything down below, I'll leave a link in the description to a streamlined document to have more teams comment on this and have a way to post like resources you guys find helpful. But yeah, that's really about it. Thank you guys for watching, and have a great day.